To be successful in dropshipping in 2023, here are some key strategies and considerations. 1. Niche selection. Choose a profitable niche that has a target audience with high demand and low competition. Conduct thorough market research to identify trending products and niches. 2. Supplier and product research. Find reliable suppliers with high-quality products and competitive prices. Look for suppliers who can fulfill orders efficiently and offer fast shipping options. 3. E-commerce platform. Set up an e-commerce website or utilize an established platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or Amazon. Customize your store to provide a user-friendly experience and optimize it for conversions. 4. Product selection. Curate a product catalog that aligns with your niche and target audience. Offer unique, trending, or hard-to-find products to attract customers. Regularly update your product offerings to keep up with market demands. 5. Marketing and branding. Develop a strong brand identity and create a compelling marketing strategy. Utilize social media platforms, content marketing, influencer collaborations, and paid advertising to generate traffic and drive sales. 6. Customer service. Provide excellent customer service to build trust and maintain a positive reputation. Respond to inquiries promptly. Handle returns and refunds efficiently, and strive to exceed customer expectations. 7. Shipping and logistics. Partner with reliable shipping carriers to ensure timely delivery. Consider offering free or expedited shipping options to attract customers and increase conversion rates. 8. Analytics and optimization. Track and analyze data related to website traffic, customer behavior, and sales performance. Use this information to optimize your marketing campaigns, product selection, and overall business strategy. 9. Continuous learning. Stay updated with the latest trends, strategies, and technologies in the e-commerce industry. Attend industry conferences, join online communities, and follow experts to gain insights and adapt your business accordingly. 10. Adaptation and flexibility. The e-commerce landscape is constantly evolving, so be prepared to adapt and pivot your business model when necessary. Embrace new technologies, explore emerging markets, and stay agile to stay ahead of the competition. Remember, success in dropshipping requires dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn from both successes and failures. Continuously refine your approach, be patient, and focus on providing value to your customers.